Hey guys, today we'll try to learn uh, some built-in functions or methods which are available in for dictionaries, which are available in Python. So these built-in functions are available as predefined methods which you can directly apply to dictionaries. Yeah, there are various type of functions which are available. So various functions that we will cover are the compare function, uh, len function, which gives the length of a dictionary, and the str, string function. Let's start one by one understanding what this function does as such. Let's start with the compare function. So let me get the formatting right. So we talk about compare function, that is CMP method. So this is CMP method. Yeah. Now what CMP method does for dictionary is it is used to compare two dictionaries based on the keys and values. It is mostly useful. It is rather very useful in identifying duplicate dictionaries as well as doing a relational comparison among the dictionaries. The result of comparison is either a -1 if the dictionary is smaller than the second dictionary. So if the first dictionary is smaller than the second dictionary, then it will give you -1. If the first dictionary is greater than the second dictionary, then it will give you 1. If both are equal, then it will give you 0. Yeah. Now this method is only executable in Python 2.6, 2.x, and does not work in Python 3.x. So let's see. We'll try to at least cover some nitty-gritties of it. But before that, I wanted to take you through what is called the syntax of the CMP method. So it is the function called CMP. I'm just adding some formatting so it looks better. CMP. Then you have the dictionaries. You have the first dictionary and the second dictionary. So the two dictionaries that has to be compared. Yeah. So dict1 is the first dictionary to be compared with dict2, and dict2 is the second dictionary to be compared with dict1. Yeah. And the return value, as I said, will return 0 if both dictionaries are equal, -1 if the first dictionary is smaller than the second dictionary, and it will return 1 if the first dictionary is greater than the second dictionary. How? I'll show you some example which will help you out to understand. So to understand, uh, CMP function to compare two dictionaries where first is smaller than second. Yeah. So I have this two dictionary, A equals A1, B2, C3, and the second dictionary, which is again A1, I'll make it 4. So where combined dictionary, first is smaller than. So I have to say first is smaller. So I'll just make certain changes here. I'll make it 5, I'll make it 6. Yeah. Or I'll just keep it like that, whatever it may be. Why it is smaller, you can see here we have the keys as A, B, C, wherein over here one of the key has been changed to D, which is higher than C. Yeah. So it should give you the output as -1. I don't know whether it will work because it was available in 2.x, any version of 2.x. The third version, whether it has it not, it is not defined. So it doesn't have the dictionary. But I wanted your people to understand that it will give you the output as -1, where the third value in this dictionary is greater than the first one. Similarly, if I do it the other way, if I'll just show you an example because it will not give you any output. It will give you 1, where first is greater than the second one. So if this D was here, so my first dictionary is greater and the second dictionary is smaller. Yeah. So this will give you 1. I know this is giving error right now, but I wanted your people to know this function because this was available in Python 2.x and it was a great function. Yeah. Similarly, if I have I want to just understand the code. So if both the dictionaries are similar, then it will give you 0. Yeah. So both the dictionaries are similar. So it has to give you 0. Right now it will give you error because CMP as such is not available in version 3.x and above. Yeah. So this is one of the function that I wanted your people to know in case you're using Python, any version which is below 3.x. Yeah. And this would be an handy function which would help you to compare two dictionaries. Yeah. So if there is an another way, if since compare function is not available, what we can do is I can, instead of compare, you can use equal to. Yeah. So I do not have compare. I will say dict1. It will just give you true or false. It will not give you whether it is 1 or minus greater than or smaller than, but you can do it this way. You can see since D is greater than C, it is giving me it is not equals to dict1 is not equal to dict2. Yeah, but if I say dict1 is smaller than dict2, then it will give you the output as true. Okay, let me less than equals to, let me see if it, no. So it is just using equals to, which gives me whether it is equal to or not. And if it is, I can do it this way. I can check whether it is not equals to. If it is not equal to, then it will give you true. Yeah. Okay. So I cannot search whether it is less than or greater than, but yes, but I can always check whether it is equals to or not equals to. Yeah. So this is an important thing that I wanted you all people to understand, because there are ways to do a certain thing. Yeah. So I guess you understood the function first of all, because this is available in versions where Python is lower than 3.x, yeah, that is 3.0. And if you are using anything which is about 3.0 or 3, which any version which is 3.x and higher, then you can use this equals to and not equals to sign in order to understand or compare two dictionaries. Hope you like this concept. Hope you like this video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do subscribe to my channel if you like to get such informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.